how to show notifications, content, and details on the lock screen. So if you receive notifications such as text messages and it's not showing the content, here's how you can turn it on. First, let's return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, we go back to the home screen here and tap on settings. Now in settings, you want to scroll down and tap on notifications. After that, tap on show previews and then choose always. And then tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Okay, here, once you receive the notifications, you can see this time it will show the message text detail on my lock screen without unlocking the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.